Hi, you're here with Atlas again, Sarah Hammond, Atlas Electrical, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration, and Plumbing Services, and
Joseph,
Stephanie,
Rosa. Today we're going to do another training. This is why you want to come to Atlas, because we train, we understand, and we teach and educate. Not just you guys, but our staff and our team.
next we turn it on. Your stick, your striker, and voila!
You always want to make sure you hire certified technicians because you want proper soldering done. Otherwise, you're going to have refrigerant leaks. Very important, certified technicians.
Down, and there's your perfect solder. And you just want to make sure you have evenly spread the solder all the way around. And once you know you have a perfect solder, then you can just pressurize it, double check it, make sure you got no leaks.
everything is awesome when you're part of our team.